Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install the graphics card in our PC, that is in a desktop. I do have the ZOTAC 1050 Ti overclock version of graphics card with the 4 GB, and this is the box. I do have a manual and drivers for the graphics card. This is the graphic card which is covered in it. It's having a dual fan of overclock version, and now we are going to install it in a PC which have Asus Z170 Pro gaming board of i7 processor which have a 6700K. This is the slot where I'm going to fix it. Previously I do have took everything. This cabinet is some Cola Master, and here where I do have took those nuts. We have to make it clear so that we can get some extra passageway where we can easily fix the graphics card inside it. Try to fix perfectly and you will get a click sound where it gets locked. And gently push inside it. That's it. And just lightly shake for a perfect slot. And cover that thing, and this is the cover for it, and it may vary for every cabinet. Just make it a screw to lock at a position so that it won't get any jerk. And tighten it using a screw. Now the installation of the graphics card is completed. We have successfully installed it. This one do have 3 ports, HDMI, DVI, and another one port. You can directly connect it via HDMI if you have the option in your display monitor, and we can also connect with the dual monitors also. That's it for this video guys. Thank you, and subscribe it for more videos.